Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Addict. Today I'm at Shallowford Natural Area, and I've been here before with my dog Bandit. This time I'm doing a different trail. There's about 3 different trails here to do, and hopefully we'll find this old homestead of Hannah Tickle, and I can't remember her husband's name, but I do remember Hannah Tickle. We'll be looking for that old homestead. Geocache. I think I have a trackable to leave in there today. So I have a trackable. I'm gonna leave it in here for the next person. There used to be a stone cooler box located here. Keep drinks cool. There's the box. It was part of a country store. Let's see, we are where? I think we are here. So I'm gonna go up here and around here and back before dark. I think I can do that. 2.2 miles. Alright, I found the homestead. You can stop this and read it. Look at all the nails people have found. Oh, spider webs. Right from here, there's a geocache. There's a geocache over here, but my gosh, the weeds are so high. Better be worth it. This looks like the outhouse. Okay. All right. I found this second geocache. I'm not going to pan out so you can see where it is. You'll have to find it. There's some campsites here. It's area 1. Campsite 2, right beside each other. Right here by the water, so I guess people that are kayaking. It's a great place to stop. It's a pretty view. The water is running fast. Another campsite area, and campsite 3. Just met a dad with his 2 young sons. They paddled in and are camping out. They look pretty excited. Really pretty. Okay, I found the geocache. I don't know if I can reach it. I'm using the camera to see if there's any snakes or anything up there. So here's the geocache. It's just got the log in it and a little something in it. I'm back from Basin Creek and Homestead Loop Trails. It is hot outside today. This is at Shallowford Natural Area. It was 3 miles because I did a little bit of geocaching, adds a little bit of miles to it. So I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you on my next adventure. Coming up on my next few videos, I have some work done on my van, so you'll get to see where I'm at on that. And I'll see you guys soon. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks a lot. Bye.